Y'all see it, motherfucker? Sunday fun day. I told you motherfuckers, baby. I only need 6 to 8 weeks to cut. You know? That's why when I bulk, I enjoy my bulks. Because I know how to get lean. Oh. Tiff, I know y'all jealous that good form. Like, God damn, I just feel so good. Yep, y'all see it, baby. Y'all see it, baby. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. 30 pounds lost. 30 pounds lost in 8 weeks. You feel me? And if you do the math, that's an average of 3 to 4 pounds lost a week. Still kept size. I still feel strong. And mind you, my muscles are really flat right now. They're fucking flat. Wait till I get these cheat meals in, all right? That's why I decided to have my cheat day 1 day early. I started getting really flat. I went hard this fucking week. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and diet down to about 185, guys. And once I do that, I'm gonna reverse diet, and I should end up at about 190. But fuck all that. About to go to IHOP with the family. I got my fish oils and multivitamins right here. I'm gonna take them with me because you're supposed to have this with the meal. And we're just gonna enjoy our day, and I'm taking you guys along. Let's get it. Uh-oh, thank you, baby. That's good. Making those gay. Daddy hungry too. But Daddy don't want to cook. This is my cheat day. Yeah. Hey, honey. Let's go eat.
Let's go.
Hey, you ready for some pancakes? I think you already had enough to eat. Why you taking off your shoes, honey? Huh?
Not bad.
You being bad for mommy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Time to eat. It's time to eat. All right, homies and homies. Your boy's excited right now. I got my steak. I ain't had this in what? It's been at least. I haven't had this since I started dieting. I've been dieting 8 weeks, right? Mm-hmm. Dude, I haven't been to IHOP. This is exciting for me right now. I miss this. I got my pancakes. I got my hash browns, and I got some grits on the way. They're making the grits right now. You know I gotta have those grits. Show them what you got, baby.
I got the same thing, but I got blueberry pancakes. Brooke ate breakfast at home, so she just has some. Oh, we need the fruit. Yeah. She's had some juice and some fruit.
Yeah. Brooke acting the fool right now.
This is how she acts all the time. So
man, Brooke's a diva. She gonna be a handful, man. Yeah. But we're ready. Y'all see this, man? I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's that Corona nonsense, but man, they gave me a little tiny bowl of grits, man. It's a little kid-sized bowl. What I'm gonna do with this, man? And as you guys see, guys, just wasn't enough food for a beast, baby. Where can a beast go? Is there a restaurant a beast can go to and actually get full, leave satisfied? All right, guys, I'm gonna go up in here real quick and get me an adjustment for my back. No cameras allowed here. I would love to show you how this thing works. I love it. And ever since I hurt my back in 2018, I've been coming ever since, and I absolutely love it. No cameras allowed though, but just know that I'm coming, get my adjustment, and it's gonna benefit me. Wow, guys. I feel like a new man, man. It's snapping my neck up. I feel great. All right, guys, so I'm about to do a scuba free workout. Got to train chest and tries today. That nice breakfast I just had is really gonna help me out. I can't wait, baby. All right, getting my mind right. Check out this new low end video. You know I love me some R&B, guys. Yeah, even Denise got her some pre-workout, guys. We thought it was gonna be a good idea to have that big breakfast to come here. She got tired, took her nap.
No, that was the worst.
Let's wake up and get it. All right, guys, like I told you, I'm gonna be having a mind-muscle connection series, and it's gonna be unlike anything I've ever done. I'm really gonna get into form. Guys, I've made some great improvements on my bulk, and want me to tell you, these past 6 months, I didn't really get much stronger, but I improved my progressive overload. Let me tell you how I did that. I switched my form. I got out of the whole, let's see how much weight I can move mindset, and got back into the basics of bodybuilding. And that is making the muscle work harder. Think about it like this, right? When you run, right, you're exhausted, right? Physically exhausted. And did you build any muscle doing that? No, because that's an aerobic activity. Now, on the flip side, if you work out and you left the gym exhausted, just because you left the gym exhausted does not mean you stimulated growth. It just means you worked your ass off. To stimulate growth stimulus, your body has to achieve a new level. You have to achieve a new feat of strength, increase your time of attention, maybe even increase your range of motion. Something has to change to give you that stimulus. And I've neglected the static contraction for years. I stopped focusing on the squeeze and controlling the negative and the rhythm and getting that static, and I just got really into moving reps, really into curling reps, really into squatting reps. And that's why eventually joint pain came. Joint pain came because when you use momentum not only shifts tension to your muscles, but it shifts tension to your skeleton. I've noticed so much density, fullness, and hardness to my pecs. Mind you, I'm not even contest lean yet, but I'm already seeing just new levels of lines and details because I'm stimulating my muscles differently and I'm getting fuller ranges of motion. And not to mention, I haven't had any joint pain since I've changed my training style. I haven't dealt with wrist pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, just straight muscle pain. Well, check it out. What I do is, now most people do like this, right? Right? I've done this for years, guys. I've done this for years, and I've gotten results doing it that way for years. So I'm not saying moving weight doesn't get you results. Olympic weightlifters move weights I'm just saying, bodybuilding way, you make the muscle work harder. Not only will you get better results, but less chances of injury. There's no room for momentum in bodybuilding. Check it out. So this is how you do it for real. You get that stretch in a squeezed, contracted, shortened position. Now right now, my chest is in a squeezed, shortened position, right? All I want to do now is stretch it, but not lose the tension. So I'm gonna come in a controlled manner, stretching it. And then I stop at the point of stretch to stop the momentum, and then I come back up into that locked position. Now look, if I come down fast, I cause some momentum, because wanna know why? Because psychologically, I know I gotta stop it before it touches the stack, right? I gotta stop it before it touches the stack. So if I come down hella fast, I'm gonna catch it, see a little momentum? Look at this. That's momentum. I use that momentum to get me back up. So technically, I'm not stretching my chest through the full range of motion. I'm only getting that resistance from about right here. The resistance comes right here and here because I use momentum to get out of the hole. And that's so much muscle you're missing. So yes, you do that shit for years, you're gonna get great results, even some great detail on the inside, but you didn't get resistance from back here. And you're not pulling those deep fibers right at the insertion point into the contraction, and that's gonna get you more results. Guys, do not miss this Mind Muscle Connection series, about to change the motherfucking game. So right now I'm doing pyramid sets. I'm gonna work my way up to maybe 2 wheels, maybe 2 on a 10. Now you've seen, guys, I'm embarrassed to even say this. For years, I've dealt with just a little ache and shoulder pain, and one of the reasons why is because I bench like this. Get it off, right, and just go. See my look at my lower body. Getting rhythm in here. Getting rhythm, I'm getting momentum, it's bouncing off my chest, right? And then you might hear people say, don't touch your chest. That's gonna keep you from hurting your shoulders. That's not true either. The joints are designed to fucking rotate, okay? Touching your chest gets you more fibers, it gets you more recruitment. It's not the fact that you're touching your fucking chest, it's because you're using momentum to get out of that hole. Like I said, guys, our skeletal structure is just to support us and give us rotation. The only thing that creates force is muscle. That's it. So when you're using momentum to move something, that's not coming from you. That's coming from other things. And that's gonna shift the tension to your wrist. 'Cause look, when you vibrate out the hole, it shakes the weights. That's why you're getting the wrist pain. That's why you're getting that shoulder pain. This is how I've been benching now. And I really have to humble myself, guys. That's why I haven't recorded a chest video in a while. You know, I try to record and I just couldn't, the thought of having y'all watching me struggle with 185 when I've done 275 before, it was just not good on my ego. You know, so I had to, that's why I haven't recorded in a while. I just want to focus on my form, not worry about people saying, look how big he is, look how light he lifts. I wanted to work on my form and get my strength back up the right way. Now I can do 2 wheels for a set of 6 to 8, but it's good, a good 6 to 8. It ain't that bouncy 6 to 8. It ain't that elbow pain 6 to 8. You be seeing these motherfuckers on YouTube, elbow wraps, belt, wrist wraps and shit. And I'm like, damn, you need all that shit just to lift some weights?
Damn.
It's that momentum that's fucking you up. You can build muscle with momentum, but that's not good there's no place for momentum in bodybuilding. Let me show you how I've been benching lately. And I'm still not perfect yet. It's gonna take me a while to get perfect. But my goal is take as much momentum out of the lift as possible. Okay. And guess what, guys? My upper chest, once I get my string up, I'll show you. Upper chest has been the best it's ever been lately.
It was already pretty decent.
Yeah, I'm getting more out of my workouts now. I've even dropped my volume a bit. Like I used to do like a lot of 4 to 5 sets. When you really contract your muscles, oh man, trust me, 3 sets of 10 ain't too bad when you're doing it right. Now if you want to, you can do 8 sets of that, but you really making that muscle work, woo! Whole different level. Here we go. Retract the scapula, arch that back. Now look at my feet. I got my feet set. Everything starts from the feet. If your feet are off balance, your core is off balance, and that's gonna cause you to have momentum. All right? It's gonna cause you to have momentum. So everything gotta be tight from your legs, your glutes, your heels. You wanna be fixed in place. Retract that scapula, and you stay tight, no shaking. Now look. Bam! I am tight as a motherfucker. Everything's tight. Now come over here, baby. Now notice how my scapula is retracted. People say they can't touch the chest. That's bullshit. Look at this. I can come damn near to my abs. My scapula is retracted. You see that? When you retract your scapula, there is no shoulder pain. Stop using momentum. Now, let me get back in place. All right, here, look. Upper chest, I touch it, and I come back up in a controlled manner. Look again. Controlled, controlled. Controlled, control. You don't really hear the weights rattling much. Control, control. Control, control. That's how I've been lifting lately, and let me tell you, I'm getting so much. Look out for my motherfucking My Muscle Connection form tutorial video. It's gonna change the game. So as y'all guys see, how much I weigh this morning? 189.6.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much 190, guys. I haven't even got to my lean weight. Look how the muscles got more refined.
You said you always wanted to be 190 like that.
I want to be 190. Absolutely. See, right now I'm lean, but I'm not absolutely beyond lean. You know what we're talking about. Check it out, God. What you think? Told you, God. Look at that. Dude, you know my body very well, right?
Yes.
Do you notice any little changes?
Yes.
Look how round the shoulders have gotten.
Yes. From
actually pausing on the top of those, instead of just throwing them side raises. Oh, my baby's trying to throwing them side raises around.
You see how I just looked?
I'm up in that motherfucker. And guess what? I had to humble myself, man. That shit. I hated to have to do that. I hate to have to live in that bitch ass, pussy ass weight. But guess what? Eventually, those 10-pound side raises were good form. My muscles got stronger, not my ego. And I went the 15s, then I went the 20s. Next thing you know, on all my lifts, I'm almost back to my normal weights. All right, guys. Had to come home, change shirts and stuff. About to go get a little dinner, get us some margaritas. You feel me? Nothing crazy, just a simple t-shirt. You feel me? Hugging the sleeves as usual. Let's go. It wouldn't be a fucking cheat day without a good cold margarita. You know how we gets down. You know how we gets down. Yeah, buddy. You We're gonna get that Mexican food, baby. Get the margaritas.
Little leg. Hi,
Yo.
baby.
There you go, girl.
Okay, I'll take the grand.
The grand? Okay, gotcha.
And then, can we get a baby margarita for her with no alcohol?
Y'all already know we got them chips and dips on deck. You know, Brookie gonna turn it up. Check it out. We got that corn and soda, rice and beans. Show them what you got.
I got some shrimp and some steak.
There it is, baby. We about to enjoy ourselves. We're having some good conversations right now.
Yes.
Maybe one day we'll let you guys in.
Yes.
Anyway. All right, homies and homies, as y'all see, it's the next day. You know, after we got our Mexican food, man, we put Brooke to bed. We just hung out a little bit, you feel me? So we're about to go to the gym right now, do a little hippie workout and just have a nice Sunday fun day as a family. Maybe even take Brooke to the park if it don't get too hot, man. Texas heat ain't no joke. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget, man, July, we got some new clothes coming, and we're bringing in some items that you can go out in, like button-ups and polos. I really hope you enjoy it, and most of all, I hope you support it, right? And yeah, just got some more things coming. We're not gonna bore you with all the details. Just stay tuned, man. Hope all you guys are doing well. There's some tough times this year, but we're gonna keep pulling through, baby. You know what they say? They say, tough times don't last. It's the tough people that do. So I hope to see you guys still standing at the end of this year. We're gonna get through it together, all right? Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, and holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.